Well, folks, it seems the automotive world has taken a rather dramatic turn in 2024. Remember when electric vehicles were a niche curiosity? Those days are long gone. The electric revolution is here, and leading the charge is none other than China. BYD, a name you might not have heard of a few years ago, has stormed onto the scene and overtaken Tesla in terms of revenue. Yes, you heard that right. The Chinese company, known for its affordable EVs, is now the top dog. This signifies a seismic shift in the balance of power, and it's left many industry veterans scratching their heads. But wait, there's more. Xiaomi, the tech giant famous for its smartphones, has decided to dip its toes into the EV market. And guess what? They've made quite a splash. Their new SU7 model, aimed squarely at the likes of the Porsche Taycan, has been flying off the shelves. It seems consumers are quite taken with the blend of technology and performance Xiaomi brings to the table. Of course, not everyone is thrilled about China's ascendance. The European Union, in all its wisdom, has decided to slap tariffs on Chinese EVs. They claim it's to protect their own manufacturers, but some might say it smacks of a bit of fear. After all, when you're facing competition this fierce, it's tempting to throw up some roadblocks. Now let's talk about Tesla. The darling of the EV world has had, shall we say, a rather eventful year. Elon Musk, the company's enigmatic CEO, has always been a master of grabbing headlines, but this year the news hasn't always been positive. Tesla was forced to implement workforce reductions, a move that sent shockwaves through the industry. They cited the need to streamline operations and improve efficiency, but it's hard not to see it as a sign that even the mighty Tesla is feeling the heat of competition. Then there's the Cybertruck. Remember that futuristic angular beast that was supposed to revolutionize the pickup truck market? Well, it's finally been unveiled in prototype form. The design is certainly striking, but some might say it's a bit too out there. Only time will tell if the Cybertruck can live up to the hype. While Tesla grapples with its own challenges, the rest of the automotive world isn't standing still. In fact, there's a sense that the entire industry is teetering on the brink of a major transformation. Apple, the tech behemoth that once seemed poised to disrupt the car market, has decided to pull the plug on its EV project. After years of rumors and speculation, the Apple car is no more. It seems even a company with Apple's resources couldn't crack the complexities of the automotive world. Meanwhile, Japanese giants Nissan and Honda are rumored to be exploring a merger. The logic is clear. In a world increasingly dominated by Chinese and American players, the Japanese need to join forces to remain competitive. A Nissan-Honda alliance would certainly shake things up. And then there's Volkswagen. The German auto giant, once a symbol of engineering prowess, is facing an existential crisis. Sales in China, their biggest market, have slumped, and their attempts to transition to electric vehicles have been met with mixed success. It seems even the mighty Volkswagen is vulnerable in this new automotive landscape. So where do we go from here? The future of the automotive industry is electric, that much is clear, but the road ahead is fraught with uncertainty. Chinese manufacturers are here to stay, and they're not afraid to take on the established players. Tesla, while facing challenges, remains a force to be reckoned with. And traditional automakers are scrambling to adapt with varying degrees of success. One thing's for sure, the next few years will be fascinating to watch. Buckle up, folks, it's going to be a bumpy ride.